What's going on, everybody? I'm just on my way. I'm gonna get some drone footage. I relocated this mic just to see if it helps with the wind noise. Hopefully I can get some nice footage. I know it's kind of cloudy today, but we'll see. So guys, this ride was basically just messing around with my new drone. I've had it for a couple of months, trying it out, getting used to it, trying to get my settings right. That was the whole purpose of this little trip. I hope you guys like the footage. I'm gonna have to go edit it now, put it together. Looks like it's about to rain. I didn't think it was gonna rain. Well guys, I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed it.